Hello, professors. My name is Tianchen Zhang, and today I want to do the presentation about Impressionism. I like this painting style very much, and I think it's kind of my favorite painting style, so I want to share it with you. So Impressionism is an art movement or is a painting style, and it is developed in France in the 1860s. Many people like this painting style, and also including me. I think most of people think that this painting style is very colorful and vivid, and it is very beautiful. There are many very famous painters that is in this period, and I think one of the most famous painters is like also most representative painters is Monet. I like him very much, and he has two very famous paintings. And the first is a woman with the parasol, and the second is haystacks. I like these two paintings very much, and these two paintings use like quite similar techniques, but I think there are many differences between them in both the composition and details. So let's first look at the first painting. It is called The Woman with the Parasol. So this picture like depicts a woman with a parasol, and there's a little child that is beside her. So you can notice that the woman is wearing a white coat and a white dress. And this, I think this coat and dress is a key point of this painting. So I think before him, when people draw white clothes, they only use color white or use the color gray. They use like different kind of gray to represent the shadows. And they only use white and gray, but not any other colors. And like Impressionism and Monet did something different. He noticed that he thinks that the light of the nature light is very important. So he thinks that the clothes should reflect a lot of different lights and should not be white or gray. So he thinks that the clothes will reflect the light from the sky, the light from the grass, the light from the flowers or the soil. So he thinks that the clothes should be very beautiful and very colorful. So you can see there's blue, there's like green, there's yellow, there's red on the dress, and makes the dress very colorful and beautiful. So it also represents that he loves this woman very much. And let's go to the second painting. It's the haystacks, and this like so it depicts that there are two haystacks in the picture, and the key point is the shadows. So in the previous painting, it's light, but this is the shadows. Like the same, the people before him, when they think the shadows of everything is black and gray. So so they only use black or use gray to draw the shadows of everything. But Monet thinks something different. He thinks that the shadows also were affected by the lights. So he thinks the shadows also need to be colorful. He thinks that the sky will affect the shadows, the environment will affect the shadows. So you can see in this painting the shadow of the haystacks. They are like totally like blue and green because the sky is blue and the environment, the trees around the haystacks are green. So he thinks the shadows will reflect these two colors and not be very gray. So I think this is very important, like between the two pointings. The first is the light on the woman is colorful, and the second is the shadow of the haystack is also very colorful. So this is like the breakthrough of the paintings, and I think it can represent Impressionism. Thank you.